It's a good snack. Let's get into the recipe. Low carb flatbread. Oil it up on both sides. Add some Italian seasoning. Bake it in the oven for 5 minutes on 400 degrees. Spreading up some mozzarella cheese. Lightly spread the pizza sauce. I want more Italian seasoning. Add your cheese, pepperoni. I'm adding jalapenos to mine. Face. Olives. I like cheese, so I'm adding more cheese to the top. Back in the oven on broil. I stepped away for 3 minutes and it burnt the edges, so I just cut them off. I'm gonna cut it up with my pizza knife. Something different.
Is it crispy?
Yeah, it's crispy.